Hey everybody!
Hello!
Today we are moving spots at our RV park, and we are extending until October for sure. But we do have to move spots because there's somebody reserved for this spot shortly. So we are moving spots, and we are also very low on propane. So we're gonna take her in to go get the propane filled up and then move into our new spot. So we figured we'd share one of our RV days with you.
Yeah, the fun part about RV life, our tank is like built into the RV, so we have to literally go get her filled.
Yeah, there are companies that will come and fill it up. It costs so much more money. So
yeah, it's crazy. We
decided since we're moving spots, we'll just take her and go fill her up as well.
Yeah, since we've been here a couple months, it's good for her to get a nice drive in as well.
She needs to stretch her legs.
A nice mountain drive.
Right,
You ready,
Lucy,
baby?
Let's do it.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV.
Alright, we're heading out. Zachary, he's got his own personal fan up here too. Yeah. Zachary, you're lucky. Here's your fan. the AC in the RV works pretty well though. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna mount our GoPro on the dash for y'all. Cody, you ready to go for a ride? You're so happy. You want to go for a ride?
He's been ready. As soon as we took the cover off the windshield, he was in the front seat.
Zachary, you ready too?
Yeah.
They love going for rides. Everything is all packed up as good as we can get it, so we're safe to drive.
Yep. Seatbelts.
This is fun because if those of you who follow us for a long time know that Aaron drives the car normally when we travel and I drive the RV.
So we're not usually together in the RV.
We never get to drive together in the RV, so this is like a treat.
I'm locked.
Especially with both the pups. Normally I have Cody, she has Zach.
So we're all together.
What's wrong with your seatbelt?
I don't know. I guess it's locked in.
Alrighty, we are off.
Woo!
Lucy, get us there safely, please.
Yes, Lord, please let us have a safe trip in the mountains. We're always nervous every time we take her out. It is our house. It is our home, so.
Gotta make wide turns in this baby.
I wonder if we need air in the tires.
Aaron, you should be driving her.
That's actually probably true.
Yeah, when are you gonna practice driving?
Not through the mountains. How does she feel?
She feel good.
I got up to grab the other camera real quick, and I have a seat thief right here. Cody, I gotta sit there, Code. You want to drive?
That's Mama's seat.
You want to drive?
That's Mama's seat.
Here's a little shot of our backup camera. That's how it helps Kim, you know, get this big boy around. Big lady around, I should say. Lucy! We're gonna go fill you up. She's thirsty. Such good boys. Excited a little trip out?
I am. I think Lucy wanted to get out.
Zachary's just chilling. Cody's got to look out the window. Like, he can't help it. He's so handsome, Cody. He's so handsome. Here we are to get propane.
Right behind the McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's right next door. I can jump out and talk to him real quick.
Okay.
Look at those gorgeous boys.
They're having a good time.
They're so well behaved.
They like going on outings.
They do. They feel like they're like people with us. They're like, yay, we get to go too.
Yep.
Best thing about your house being on wheels when you have dogs.
How's the propane filling going?
He's doing it.
Doing it?
Yeah. It smells like propane out here.
It does.
Hope we don't blow up.
Look at the mountain view from here. It's pretty. Waggles? Waggles? How do you say it?
I don't know if it's Waggles or Wiggles or Weagles or what.
Our first one.
We miss Wawa. We miss Wawa. We love a good Wawa. If you don't know what that is, it's like one of the best gas stations besides Buc-ee's.
Lucy did very well on the drive here to the mountain, so that was good. I'm very happy about that.
Yes, now we gotta go back through when we get back home though.
I think she'll do just fine.
The beautiful mountains.
It's a beautiful day. We've had a lot of rainy days recently.
Yes, we're so lucky that it wasn't pouring on us today trying to pack up and everything. That could have been quite miserable. Whee! Lucy's doing great.
The puppies are having a grand old time.
Oh my god, they love it. They love it. Especially us all together, like Kim was saying in the beginning of the video. We're not often in the RV together, so they're having a good time. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We really appreciate it. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We would really appreciate it. It just takes a little click, one little click.
It's free.
You can do it. We're hoping to hit 4,000 subscribers by Kim's birthday, so that would be awesome. When is your birthday, Kim?
August 24th.
August 24th. My birthday is March 24th, and a lot of you have been asking about our birthday, so we're both 24 babies.
Yes.
that's our lucky number, I guess you could say.
So is our other bestie, Christina.
Yes, you've seen her. She's been in quite a few videos, and she's December 24th. We're the 24th club. Wow, it really is beautiful today.
Alright, so they put in new concrete over here in this other part of our RV park, so hopefully we're gonna have a nice level spot.
Fingers crossed.
I don't know the best way for me to pull in here is.
Yeah, just get as close.
Oh, I think I'm gonna hit the curb in the back.
Alright, hold on, let me get out.
Hello?
Okay.
Alright, so we communicate over speakerphone. Alright, I gotta pull in this spot right here to the left.
Hopefully she ain't gonna run me over. I don't know if I can film and tell her what to do at the same time. Oh, oh, cut this way.
Okay, we got her all parked in good, and because of these beautiful new concrete spots, it is perfectly level. It's like, ah, so we don't have to use any leveling blocks or anything like that. We just have a wheel chocks that we put behind the tires as a just in case. And we're gonna finish setting up. First thing we do is the power cord, so we can crank that AC back on. And yeah, it's a hot day today, but it's a beautiful day. Aaron's working hard. Love you, Aaron. Okay, we are fully set up. It was
freshly showered.
It was a lot of work, and it was so hot out today.
So hot.
And like I feel like the sun like reflects off this new concrete and like makes it even hotter.
Yeah, it's very bright. Every time we open the door, it's like blinding.
Yeah, and we had an issue with our awning a couple weeks ago, so now we have this. We already had this before. This was from our beach life.
Yeah.
Because we're from Fort Lauderdale.
Now we're using it as our little canopy.
Canopy. Yeah.
We need it. It's so hot. Like, it is so hot.
Yep. But this is our view.
And we're gonna head to the Weir's
Gorgeous.
Valley food
These are the
trucks.
mountains back there.
We're gonna head to the Weir's Valley food trucks to get some dinner because it's well deserved and we're starving and I don't feel like cooking.
Deal.
Okay.
You worked hard today.
I did.
You earned it, Aaron. High
I got
five.
sunburned.
Aaron did amazing today. So we're at the Weir's Valley food truck park.
Yes, back at Meat's Kitchen, our favorite.
Yeah, we did a full video here if you're interested in this area. But Meat's Kitchen was one of our favorites, and we'll mainly the potato salad.
Yes, I hope they have it. Last time I came, they were out. because
We've been
it's so
dreaming.
popular.
We've been dreaming of this potato salad.
I hope. I'm like, they're not too busy. It doesn't look too busy today, so I'm hoping they still have it.
Guess what?
Potato salad today.
The potato salad is in.
It's so great. It literally is my favorite potato salad I've ever had.
in my 40 years of living.
So I'm getting the bacon cheeseburger. What are you getting?
I'm getting the A1 burger.
A1 burger.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna take it to go and eat it back at home.
Yes. We can relax.
In the AC.
Yes.
It is scorching.
We need AC today. We earned it. Here's my Meek's Kitchen. I got the A1 burger. It had like some A1 sauce, fried onions, bacon and cheese, and some spring mix. And then the best is this potato salad ever. It's so good. And then Kim
loaded potato salad.
Kim got the same burger I got last time we went to Meek's, which is the big bacon.
Yeah. It's like bacon and oily. I don't get any toppings.
Yeah, so it looks
Only has lettuce,
puny,
tomato.
and she also got the potato salad. We love it. It's so good. Delicious. I know I'm gonna like it. I've been wanting it for days, and actually I was saying in the beginning of the video, I mean the beginning of this trip, that I went there to go get the potato salad and they were out, so I didn't get anything. So I'm glad today that they had it. Cheers.
It's so weird opening the door to another view. It takes some getting used to. That is for sure.
Yeah, when you're looking at the same, you know.
Yeah, the inside always looks the same. But when you walk outside, it's a different view than we've been used to the past few months. But yeah,
We enjoyed our dinner.
we like our spot over here.
Our dinner was delicious.
Yes.
Thank you again, Meek's Kitchen. So good.
Moving is rough, but Lucy needed a good drive anyways.
Yeah, exactly. We got propane. We filled our propane tank. You know, we did
And it makes us clean and everything too.
But we actually spoke to the front office today, and we might be moving spots again because we really like the spot behind us.
Look at that big beautiful spot right there.
And there's some shade, which is
Yeah.
great since it's so hot.
Yeah. There's no shade, there's no trees here,
Yeah.
so
I don't know if it's possible.
We'll
They're
see.
looking into it for us, but
if not, it's okay. If so, woohoo. But then we have to move.
yeah. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed our moving day video.
Yes, thanks for hanging out with us, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so, and we'll see you in the next episode.
We have a lot of fun videos of the Smokies. Bye y'all. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy, Aaron?